Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and this is my series called Beauty Basics. So stay tuned to see what your lesson is going to be. Hi guys, today's lesson is on eyebrows. Woo! I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. That's zooming out. One day I'll get this right. Hopefully the lighting is okay. I have a previous video on this, but we're gonna go ahead and do it again. So we're going to brush up the brows with a spoolie. There are 3 different products, well there's actually 4 different products. There are pencils, which this is the Maybelline pencil that I really love. I don't have a lot of brows, so I need a pencil to kind of fill in what is missing. If you have a big fluffy brow already, I love a powder that you can use to just kind of fill in the gaps, and it looks a little softer, and you just take a small angled brush to go in there and fill in the brows, but I need a little bit more zhuzh in there. So there are also gels or pomades, and that's for a more defined brow, still using that same kind of brush. And then you have the gel with the little mascara wand, you know, and that's what I use at the end to kind of define the hairs and make sure everything stays in place. So today I'm going to use a spoolie. I'm going to use my little pencil, and I am just going to fill in the gaps. So I brush my brows up, and I'm going to light strokes follow the line at the bottom of my brows. Little trick that I'm sure everybody knows, to take a pencil from the edge of your nostril up to the corner of your eye, and that's where your eyebrow should start, at the edge of your eye and the nostril, and that's where your eyebrow should end, and then right in the middle of your pupil should be around where your arch will be. I do not like to reshape my brows completely because I just don't have enough hair to do that. So I've brushed them up, I do a line at the bottom, I brush them down, and you can see where the line is that you need to fill in at the top. And then if you want, you can fill in the center with the powder if that's easier, and your little brush, or you can just continue with your pencil. I really wish that the front of my brows were fuller and I had like a thick to, you know, small brow, but I just don't. So I have to create that the best I can. And then I'm filling in, and then I'm gonna take that spoolie and brush them back up again. Then I take my brow powder. This is not a brow powder, this is a brow gel. And I'm going to brush through the hair. You can keep them in that line. I like to brush the front of mine up. I actually brush them all up. And then I take these and kind of push them down a little bit, and then you can see if there are any spots missing that you need to go back in. You can tell I don't like a very defined brow. I like kind of a more natural brow. But you can see the difference of what brows do for you. So I'm gonna do my other eyebrow off camera. And that's today's lesson, guys, eyebrows. Number 1, brush up, fill in the bottoms. Number 2, brush down, fill in the tops. Brush back up and see if there's any spots you missed with your pencil, your pomade, your brow powder, whatever it is. And then at the very end, once you have it all filled in, take any sort of brow gel. This is an Ulta one. This is Glossier Boy Brow, my favorite. And you just brush it the direction you want those hairs to go, and it helps everything stay in place all day. So let's zoom out. You can see the difference there. Even just a little bit, not even a super defined brow, really opens up the eye and the face. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.